Did you know Archaeopteryx is a transitional fossil between dinosaurs and birds? It's about 150 million years old, from the late Jurassic period. It had feathers, wings, and a wishbone-shaped collarbone like modern birds, but retained dinosaur traits like teeth, a long bony tail, and claws on its wings. Archaeopteryx is considered a mix of reptilian and avian traits, supports the theory that birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs. Archaeopteryx was likely an opportunistic omnivore, eating a variety of food sources like insects, small reptiles, fruits, seeds, and small invertebrates. Several well-preserved specimens have been found in Germany's Solnhofen limestone formation. These fossils showed impressions of feathers and other soft tissues. Scientists continue to study Archaeopteryx to understand the evolution of flight and bird characteristics.
Hello everyone, we hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!